Makeup by Cherish Monette on Facebook. If you want you a custom-made mask, she did mine with all white diamonds. She got multicolored. She got more than just masks. She got eyelashes, lip glosses. She got a lot of beauty essential things that you might need or be looking for. Support black businesses as well. Thank you, cousin. I love my mask. To this, well, guess where we going? We didn't go to the one in Vegas, so we headed to this one in the Victoria Gardens. It's sugar. Look, they got giant stuff, Bobo.
Just hold the door open for me, Bobo.
Oh yeah, I got Bobo with me, y'all. Even though I said I wasn't fucking with him. Look, he get his way. This nigga get his fucking way. You gotta open it. Wait. Okay. Bobo, you ain't never came here before, huh, Bobo? Have you been in one before?
2 for 20.
Uh-oh. Don't knock over stuff, huh? Oh, what you see 2 for 20? Your nerds?
Right here.
Oh. Sour Power Quattro. Sour Extreme. What you want, Bobo? You don't know? Walk around and see what you want. Hi.
So get it from here. I don't know what I want.
You don't know what you want either? Can I fit?
Nope.
The other way. Do this side. Yeah. Boom. This side. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, look what we got, guys. Is that what you want? Get some stuff. Let's buy one, get one.
So get another one.
Get another one. Candy bags. What other one you see?
Yeah, they got Trump.
Huh?
Trump, he's your president. Right?
Oh shit. Y'all see these? They got the Charles too. That's funny as hell. Make red hats wearable again. I want this hat. Is this Trump on toilet paper? Y'all kidding me. Paul. Look at the Trump toilet paper, nigga, because we ran out of toilet paper.
Would you want to buy one? Just so you can take a shit with his face every day.
How much is that toilet paper? $5.99. Hell no. You know how many bundles of toilet paper I can get for that?
No, that's how I say. You don't wipe your ass with his face.
Ooh, how disrespectful, huh?
How about this? Look.
I wipe my ass with Trump face. Ooh, like Lil Kim Jong-un. I'm not fucking with them. They messy up in here. They real messy. What else you see you want, Bubba? What is it? Come here. Oh, The Office. That's a giant gummy snake? You want that? Yeah, okay. How much is he? You gonna see how much is he? Why you put it back? Get him.
Get it if you want it.
Hey, your mama gave me some money. That what you want? The watermelon?
You gonna eat that shit, though? Get something you know you gonna eat, nigga. Don't just get shit because it look pretty. Get some shit that you know you gonna eat.
That might be nasty. All right.
Yeah.
But get what you want, though. Don't let us deter you. Get what you want. Look, there go a shark up there, too. You see the giant gummy shark? You see him?
Oh, yeah.
You want him? Burger, ma? It's heavy. What you want? Get your snake or your watermelon? Get what you want. Oh, but look at the little gummies. They big, and those two for $4.99. You get you two with those. You want that one? Come on. What you want, Carl?
Let me see.
I'm gonna get me a candy apple.
From where?
From over there, the chocolate place. Right here around this corner. You forgot?
I'll go with you.
You want what I want?
Yeah.
Come on, bro.
At the house, I'm gonna kill myself.
Come on, bro. Go to the counter.
You can bring your wallet too.
It's in my purse right here. You could, it's my debit card. I just wanted to bring him here. Just to show him his cousin do bomb shit. I always take you to get good things. I always take this nigga to have a good time. He don't care.
Alright, could it be 2036?
Okay. What? Then you get you a candy apple.
I'll take it back out.
Bubba got him a watermelon, giant watermelon gummy. And what else you got? Oh, and two pads heads. I just wanted him to come to the sugar store because we didn't go to the one in Vegas. It's tight up in here. All this candy. Giant candies. Look, I would not chew gum. I would not chew gum. That's Quita. Over here in the Victoria Garden. Look, Carl always want me to see hats. Knowing I'm gonna buy one. I love hats. I believe it's to the right. Google the chocolate store right quick, Carl.
I thought it was this way.
I think it's to the right, but you might be right. Look at all the stores over here, guys. Look, we the favorite place. Forever 21. What else is over there?
Which one?
It's
This one?
yeah, Chocolate Factory. Yeah, yeah. Yes, that way, like I said. Don't I got a good memory here for the shit I want. Look at that, y'all. Backpacks and shit. I want one. Hats, more hats. More hats. Y'all, the Victoria Garden is nice. This is a nice place to just get out and have an outing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, they go California Pizza Kitchen. We're gonna have to come back and eat at this one. They go Sephora and Tilly's. I don't know if y'all ever been over here, but I keep coming ever since I found it. Can't stop. They got Wetzel Pretzel, Hot Topics, Zoomies. Wetzel Pretzel. Big Mike said, that motherfucker's expensive. He ain't lying. Son, I don't want no Wetzel Pretzel. But I do want the Chocolate Factory.
We like the other shit better.
What?
What was that pretzel place called?
Oh, Annie's Pretzel. Yeah, Annie's ain't so sour.
There you go, Chocolate Factory.
Yep. This what we wanted. This what we wanted. I want me a candy apple, y'all. Let me put my mask up. Alright. I'm trying to get me a mud pie candy apple. I hope they have it.
You sure you don't want the brownie?
Look at that, y'all. She want the brownie.
Oh, you didn't like that?
Look, you gonna want a piece. Look, she gonna want a piece of it.
So early.
That's how he do me. I don't want none. Then I whip out my stuff, and you like, oh, that look bomb. I'm in love with this place, y'all. I didn't know they had one here. I drive way to Long Beach for one.
Do you?
I didn't know they were right here.
Yeah, I've been trying to find one open.
I drive way to Long Beach for a candy
I
apple.
don't blame you.
And I be looking like a damn fool. I live in Victorville. Oh, I wanted to get a mud pie candy apple. The mud pie candy apple. Yeah, it have. Oh, y'all don't carry that with them. It's one with cookies on it, Oreos. Dang, I gotta get a new one, huh? Oh, the Oreo apple, yeah. Let me get
It's the same thing. They just call it something different.
It's different franchises, so
Yeah. Okay, let me get 2 of them. Can you cut one or cut both of them? Yeah. Yeah. Bubba, you wanted one? You want candy apple? You got to say yes or no. Make it 3 of them. Which one you want? Tell her. Which one?
He want the white apple.
Okay.
The chocolate apple.
And then he want to get a white. Which one? Sure.
Chocolate apple. The white.
white chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you like them on back?
That one you could leave. Yeah,
Cut it like that.
just put it in the bag. Go
You
ahead.
want them to cut it like that?
You want them to cut it like that, or you want to bite your apple?
Go bite it.
Leave his hole.
And then anything else for you guys?
That'll be all. I just was bringing my little cousin to see what these taste like. Okay. Well, guys, that was the end of that. Get the menu. Yeah, please. That's where I'm at the car wash again. Hey, turned up for my birthday. My birthday over and I'm still celebrating. All month long, they ain't tell you. Leo, don't stop. We on. Keep it popping like all day long. Oh, the mask by Cherish Monette. That's my coronavirus mask. Hello. It ain't hitting you.
It don't taste right.
Too bad. I couldn't do
Freeway
it.
blend, I guess it is.
Too bad. I was trying to get my phone to let me vlog this moment. But it won't. I can't do it. I'm looking like a bum. My phone case is heavy. You know what happened to the thing when they gave me to this shit?
It's inside of the fucking house.
Uh-oh. I like that light shining though. You seen that glisten on your chick? Yo, I'm never looking like the Cali Fashion Police lately. But it's still my birthday. Looking like Aunt Jemima with no pancakes. Turn back. Hello? Hello? Bye, y'all.